Hey guys, it's Luron here and welcome back to my channel. Guys, in today's video I want to do a quick update to give you guys one stock that I'm looking to trade in the next 24 hours, if not the next couple of hours. So this is INO, guys. So this stock, I'm jumping right into it. I'm not playing around on this one. The stock is INO. So this stock is happening right now. This stock is in stage 2 of the COVID vaccine trial. Obviously, we have other stocks like Pfizer, Novavax, Moderna. They're in stage 3 and more or less getting emergency use authorization. So Pfizer got that, I think, earlier this week. Moderna is on the verge of getting their emergency use authorization, I think by the end of the day today, if not tomorrow. So what we got going on in INO right now is usually how these vaccine stocks move is that once one of them gets any approval or any positive news, it usually sends these other stocks that are in early stage trial moving as well. So INO pharmaceuticals will be moving aggressively in the coming week to 2 weeks. So what we got going on here is, as you can see here, INO is down currently 75%, guys. So this is definitely one stock that is oversold, but the stock has been setting up a key wedge formation, as you can see here, down all the way down, and right now we're at the bottom here at primary support levels. As you can see here, right there, we've tested the primary support level yesterday, and then today we've nice hammer like pattern we're looking at on this stock as it closes the day today. So in the next, if you trade in stocks, I already bought some stocks on this one, so I'm looking to, the target is clear, guys. The target here for this one is about $15. If this stock goes to $15, we're looking at easily 43%, and that can happen in 1 to 2 weeks. This stock is a mover. As you can see here, the stock moves on average, I calculated about 70% when it moves. It takes about 3 days to move this aggressively. As you can see here, 1, 2, 3, that's about a 50% move. Last time it broke out a wedge, it moved 90%. That's a very huge move. So I can tell you here, when it breaks out of this wedge again, you can expect easily, like I said, 40+%. We also have a gap here to fill. So the gap is around 1583. So you definitely want to pay attention to that level as well. But for me, my targets will be at this sloping target here. And I trade mainly options, and I also have some stock that I bought, I think 2 days ago. I bought some stocks on this on INO, on this ticker. So obviously my target is that 40% increase. But for options, I'll be pulling some option trades today, and some maybe tomorrow. But this is a go, guys. Don't be surprised if you wake up tomorrow and this thing is up and starting to rip right through here. You got a couple more days to close out the wedge formation, but the fact that I did this 2-day confirmation at the primary support line, this is a mover. This isn't waiting for anyone else. So this is my favorite pick for this week, and you can expect huge move to the upside in this stock. Worst case scenario is that it doesn't go higher and it comes lower and form what we call here a descending triangle. So that means that it breaks this key support level and it comes down to this level, descending triangle, and then moves higher. But that's the worst case scenario. I don't foresee that case happening, but that's worst case. So if you trade an option and it breaks or opens or closes below this key line that we're seeing right now, you want to cut your position and re-enter once it gets to that descending triangle line. But right now, this is the play that I'm looking at, and because of the Moderna emergency use authorization that is pending this afternoon or tomorrow by the FDA, that will send most of these stocks flying. For example, Moderna had a little pullback. Once we get our emergency use authorization, we can see Moderna go test these all-time highs again. Same thing for Novavax. There's a little pullback. We can see Novavax going to test these all-time highs again. But I'm not trading any of these. I traded these already when they broke out of the wedge formation. Same thing for Moderna. I traded when it broke out the wedge formation. So I'm looking at INO right now. Like I said, it's an early stage clinical trial for the COVID vaccine. I think they're in stage 2/3 of their trial. So they're a little behind INO, but it's at the key support level right now, so you can expect a big splash to the upside. So that concludes this video, guys. I just wanted to share that with you. Remember, if you're trading options, you want to buy 2 to 3 weeks out. And if you're looking for that aggressive lotto type play, you can buy 1 week, which will be next week expiry. But your key play would be December 31st. Let me see here. It will be your key play would be the 31st of December and January 7th contract, which will give you solid 2 weeks out on this one, 2 to 3 weeks out. So you can split your expiration. But targets, we can look at $12, and we can also look at $14, and we can look at $15. 3 set of targets you can set on this play. Again, huge wedge formation, huge oversold. Currently, the stock is oversold by 70%, and we have a 40% to the upside. And we also have a sloping target on this one, which is very bullish. Once you see the sloping type target, the stock is dancing like this, and it wants to do this. You want to sit here and go all the way back up there. And I anticipate, 1 to 3 weeks it'll get there. So you don't have many opportunities when the stock sit at these primary support levels. So now's the time to pull the trigger, guys. So that concludes this video. And guys, if you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe, smash that like button, and that's the only way we can grow the channel.